We get called in when you can't open a catalogue and say, I want one of these. We wrap a team around the challenge and break it down to its fundamental elements, and then tackling each one of them to make sure you're stringing together a process that's optimized, that can then be automated. That discovery process has led us to understanding time frame, budget, scale, and risk. We have a product development program, so anybody with an idea. We take that idea and we drive them all the way through to what is a designed for manufacture product. Industrial and marine. We're embedded in the oceans tech industry here. We have a program dedicated to aerospace and defense, and then what we call Industry 4.0, which is really catering to manufacturing, taking available off-the-shelf technology and integrating that into a solution for a client. The robotics lab allows us to take any brand of industrial control equipment, put it up, run it through its paces, and make sure it integrates with other components in a system. We've got an electronics lab, so we can repair things that come in from clients. We can design one-off boards here to help solve a problem. We also have a couple of our own spin-out companies that have offices here. We launched a medical device business called FeverMed. It's a fluid intravenous alerting tool with a huge amount of potential for going to second-tier healthcare economies. Having flexibility allows us to solve some problems, but we're never afraid of making decisions to move our clients forward, and having a bit of space and the creativity to pull solutions together quickly is testament to that.